Yeah, I get my best flows and test on my next shows while my whiteboard is marked up with expos. Planning out all of my next moves at expos. The most unlikely artist to make it out of the West Coast. Teenager with the mind of a peso, but soon somebody will sign him a check. So if you did something that you highly regret, I recommend it. It's about time that you let go. Cause at first they were trying to diss me. Now I'm coming up so they ask for favors. And when you get noticed, the story flips. See, now they talking to me on their best behavior. People I barely know telling me they love me. Two-faced friends only in it for the money. Who can you trust when he's trying to be the greatest? But now I'm waving bye to you haters until I'm number. Yeah, but the number one is what I'm going for. I used to want it all, and now I want it more. Until I'm number. And you can tell that I mean it if you look into my eyes. It shouldn't be a surprise when I finally arrive at the top. Number one. What am I really trying to prove?